is Krystal, as you guys should know. So for this video, as you guys see by the title, I am going to be doing a room tour. I'm finally doing my room tour. A lot of people has been asking me to do a room tour for the longest, probably for like the last year. Honestly, I've been getting asked this, but I never did one because my room isn't like up to par to me. Like, it's not like up to where I want it to be yet. But I honestly don't know when I'm going to be able to get it like up to my standards. So until then, I'm just going to show you guys like what I have right now in my room, and then I'll probably do like an updated room tour later on after I get everything in order and where I want it to be. So yeah, I'm about to just show you guys the room and give you guys a little tour. Okay, so this is me first entering the room. This is just like a little quick overview real quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna start on this side. This is my closet right here. I do not have a closet door, obviously, but yeah, this is just my closet. It's kind of messy. I don't really like, I try to keep it organized, but you know, it's still like, I just wish I had like a door right there or something so that it could, I'm probably gonna get like a curtain maybe until I get my door. And yeah, just so I can cover this up because I just feel like this is kind of like a ugly little part right here in my room, but I was still showing y'all because it is a part of my room. But yeah, so this is that. Okay, and right here, this is where I used to do my YouTube videos at. If you guys look at my old videos from probably like a year ago, I used to film in front of a white background, and it was this right here. This is just the what's it called, the little screens that you, what's it called, I can't even remember, but you know the screens that you watch TV on, and it's like it shows it like on the wall for you. Yeah, this is one of those things. But my dad, he wasn't using it anymore, so he had put it inside of here for me to do my YouTube videos with. And yeah, but I don't use it anymore just because I don't like the lighting over here. I feel like it's better lighting sitting over there. So yeah. And then right here, I just have a little accent piece right here. I've been having this for the longest. It's just like a cute little silver thing to go with the silver theme inside of here. So yeah, it's just a little gray plant. And then to the right of my room is where my TV is and my dresser. And then up here, I have my little air freshener thing. It sprays out every 15 minutes just so I can keep it fresh. Oh, look, it just did it. But just so I can keep it fresh and smelling good up here, because it does get a little stuffy because it gets so hot up here. So that helps out a lot. And then right here, I have my dresser. And yes, I do not have knobs on my dresser. This is one thing that I do need to get on my dresser. I just haven't got to it yet. I don't know why. I kind of got used to like pulling the drawers out without the drawer knobs, so it's, I don't know. But anyway, so my TV's right here. Okay, so right here, this is probably like my favorite part of the room, just because this is like one part that I did kind of get looking nice and stuff. So as you can see, I have like the Christmas lights going all around the room. But right here, I have this green plant. This is just a plant that it was downstairs, but it wasn't like being used anymore, so I just brought it up here to my room. And then I have my white bed. I don't know why I got a white bed with all the nieces and nephews that I have that love to come up here and play in my room. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's still cute. I love getting like white themed stuff. So I have white comforters, and then the sheets are pink, and then I have a couple accent pillows, throw pillows, and it's a gray one and there's a white one. And then I have this long one that I really like. It says "I woke up like this." Like a really cute accent to have on the bed. And then when you flip it over, there is a white fluffy part, but I don't use that part just because I don't want to get it too dirty. And then I just have this throw cover right here that I've been having from my dorm room. I had this from my dorm, and I had those two pillows from my dorm, and I just brought those and added it to my bed. So I just put this throw blanket right here just whenever I don't want to actually get under the covers, and I just want to, you know, have like a little throw blanket. So then my iPad's right there charging, of course. And then right here is a picture that I've been having for the longest. This is a picture of Marilyn Monroe. I've had this in all of my rooms basically. I really like this picture, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this picture right here. I think it's time to get a different picture just because I've had it for so long. I kind of want to get like a black and white picture, something. It was like a cute picture I've seen. It was a picture, it was like a city view, and I think it was like New York City or something, but it was like all like the skyscrapers and stuff, and it was a black and white picture. So I said that would go really cute with like the gray theme and all that stuff. And then right here, of course, is my window. And then I have my fan that goes in my window. This is a lifesaver right here because, like I said, it gets really hot up here, so this kind of like blows in air, blows out air, so it kind of like helps me out a lot. And then this is just my curtain right here. You can lift it up like that, and then just a little regular view, you know, LA. And okay, so right here I have my ring light. This isn't really supposed to be like a piece of my room, but I just have it out so much, so I keep it right here. It's probably like one of my favorite items that I own because I use it so much. And right here, this is my mirror. I really like this mirror because it's kind of like a vintage theme mirror. You see how it has like the little design up there at the top. It's kind of like rustic a little bit, so I like that because I don't know, I just like it. And then this right here also isn't a part of my room, but I use it so much, so I keep this inside of here. This is just a regular little stool. It's just convenient right now, so I just keep it in here. And then right here, I like this part of my room, but I don't think I want to keep it like this just because I kind of threw this little area together. It's just something, I don't know. I think this is really cute. I am going to keep this, and then I just put my glasses on there, and then some pearls that I've been having. So yeah, that's cute. And then right here, this is the part I feel like I'm going to change up because I want to get like a real vanity. I don't sit here as a vanity, it's just kind of for show. And then I just have that K that I kind of painted it. It was black at first, but I painted it white, and it kind of looks like rustic. Like I like, you can see I kind of have like a rustic theme. Like this is rustic, and then same with that thing down there. That box is just full of like my everyday products that I use every day. Like my face products, my hair products, my just everyday stuff, my vitamins, that kind of stuff inside of there. And then the last part of my room, this right here, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but the whole upstairs, it used to be an attic before my dad transformed it to an upstairs, and he put my room, my brother's room, and an office and a bathroom up here. So they still needed like a little attic space for the stuff that was up here, so that's why this little door is right here, because if you open it, it's like a little attic area inside of there. And then right here, I just have this drawer right here. This is full of all of like my hair products, my hair tools, blow dryers, and all that stuff. And then I try my fanny pack sitting up there because it's just there. And then probably one of my favorite parts of the room is the way that it's shaped. If you can see, like it's kind of shaped like a, I don't know, like it has like a lot of curve to it. So I like that. I'll show you guys like this. I just feel like it puts a lot to the room when it has all this shape in it, so it kind of like makes it like look really cute like that. So oh yeah, and then also I have that little throw rug on the carpet. Throw rug on the carpet. I also had that in my dorm room, and I just brought that as well because it was really good for me because my dorm room colors was gray, white, and pink. So my room is gray, white, and pink also, so I was able to put all the stuff from my dorm room really into the my room now. So yeah, basically this is my whole entire room. I hope that you guys like it. Almost fell. I hope that you guys like this room tour. Like I said, it's not up to par yet. It's not everything that I want it to be, but you know, I still wanted to show you guys just because I get a lot of questions on my room for some reason. So I just want to show you guys like what I have right now. And like I said, I'll be coming back with the updated room tour and show you guys like what it looks like and a little bit after I kind of like get it all together and stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below for more videos, and I will see you guys next time.